What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and happy 2023. It's crazy to think that I've been doing this almost 2 years now. It's been a crazy journey, man. I can't wait just years and years and years to come how well this channel is going to do, and just how I can inspire others and get to meet some of you guys. And it's crazy. I can't wait for the adventures. So if you guys are a part of the channel and have been for a while, I appreciate y'all, and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing and liking and commenting. It's awesome, man. So I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, Christmas, Happy New Year, all that stuff. It's been so long. I felt like a part of me has been missing, so I just had to get out on one of the better days of the week today and just be able to make a video finally. You know, I don't do this to brag and boast, but I just do it so I can see later down the road. It's now February something. I don't know, time is flying already, but I think we're closing in on 650 subscribers, and I think I got over like 130,000 views. So it's cool to be able to go back and look at different times, you know, where I was and how much we've grown in such a short period of time. It's really, really awesome to see. I don't know, man. I'm trying to think what I want to do this year, like what I could set a goal to get. I think I'm gonna get this bike done this year. It's gonna be completely done how I want it. You know, I've talked about it a lot in the last couple of videos. It's just work's been slow, just trying to stay up with bills and, you know, adult stuff. When riding season comes around, man, we're gonna be pumping these videos out just like we have in the last couple of years. You know, it's a grind, you know, and it's a grind I'm so happy to be a part of. And I want to inspire others. Like, if I would have done this years ago, like 5 or 6 years ago, it would be such a different story. Just how many vehicles I've had and what things I've done. It's like, man, I wish I had a YouTube video to look back on. And it's just, it's crazy to think how much different it would be. So if you guys are trying to get into YouTube and you're just kind of nervous or scared, I was at first too, but now, like I said, I feel like a part of me is missing. And it's just awesome to be able to just put a camera on my helmet and just ride and have a good time and share the experience with you all. If you guys are ever curious what kind of gear I have or my camera equipment, I always put it down in the description below. If you guys have any questions of how to get started, be sure to hit me up on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen. I would definitely recommend, if you guys are on the fence of doing it, do it, because it is awesome to be able to look back on stuff and be able to impact people's lives, and also just having a great time doing it. That's why I love it. You know, I'm not doing anything different other than having a great time. If you guys are even trying to get a bike, do it. You're just able to be so free. It's just so different. I mean, people, you know, all the time say, oh my God, it's so dangerous. It is, and it's also dangerous to drive. But I wouldn't let that stop me at all. You know, I would never let that get in the way of having such a great time in life. You know, life's short. You got to have fun. So if you guys are on the fence about doing YouTube, do it. If you're on the fence about getting a bike, do it. If you want to do both, I definitely recommend it. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I'll throw that up in the cards above. I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't. The Gsx-S, it's different. I thought Suzuki would come out with something a little bit better, but, you know, can't have them all. I've been really thinking about what bike I would want to venture into next, and I think I'm going to keep the Gsx-S name alive. I think I'm going to go with the 1000, but the F, the fairing version, that bike is, oh my God, gorgeous. And it's got a little bit more fairings, which is nice. You know, I want something I can go a little farther, have a little bit more power. And I think that's honestly a great deal for the price it is. I don't know though, everybody keeps adding these bikes. It's crazy. Like Kawasaki came out with their new ZX4RR, which is only $1,000 less than the 6R, which is, I would pay the $1,000 more any day of the week. But if you're starting and you want something cool, and with the sound, oh my God, it's an inline 4. If you're a part of the channel, you know I love inline 4s, how they sound. Like, come on now. It's a crazy time to be, you know, getting into bikes and looking into different bikes, because there's a lot of options out, and it's awesome to see. But if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, but I good stuff. Stick around if you're new. I'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.